In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a logo to GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're refreshing your brand or launching a new site, uploading your logo helps visitors recognize you instantly, and it only takes a minute. First, access your dashboard by signing into your GoDaddy account. You'll land on the website dashboard for the site you want to edit. From here, open the editor by selecting Edit Website. That launches the GoDaddy Website Builder so you can make live changes in a safe, draft environment. Next, click on the header, the top area of your homepage. If your current site shows your business name as text, you can click that too, since it's acting as the placeholder for your logo. In the editing panel that opens on the right side, look for the option that says Upload a logo or Upload your logo. Depending on your theme, it may be under branding or header settings, but it's the same idea. You're telling the builder where your logo file is. Before you upload, a quick tip about files. PNG is the best choice if you want a clean, transparent background. High contrast logos are easiest to read, and a horizontal version usually fits headers better than a tall, stacked one. When you're ready, click Upload, browse your computer, select the logo file, and choose Open or Insert. The builder will place it right in your header. Now adjust and style it so it looks perfect. Use the size or zoom controls to scale the logo up or down without distorting it. Align it left, center, or right to match your design. If your header has a busy photo or pattern, consider setting a subtle background color behind the logo area so the mark stays readable. Small tweaks here go a long way toward a polished, professional look. Quick note: I've put the link to the GoDaddy Website Builder at the top of the description, so you can jump straight to your site and follow along. When everything looks good, preview your changes. Click Preview to see how the logo appears on desktop and on mobile, since header space can be tighter on phones. If the sizing feels right and the placement is clean, go ahead and click Publish. That's what makes your new logo visible to your visitors. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded and styled your logo in GoDaddy Website Builder. If this helped, give it a like and share it with someone building their brand. And thanks for watching.